Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch R1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Lenovo Sports application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Lenovo Sports application on our watch, or rather on our phone, my bad. In the app, tap on the device icon. And here you should see your Lenovo R1 on the device page. Now scroll down, find the option called Others, and tap on it, of course. And here find the option called Language. Select it. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use. Tap on it to select it, then tap on Done, and then go back. And now, if we wake up the screen on our watch and open the menu, come on. The touchscreen on this watch sometimes is not cooperating, so give me a second. I'm just trying to open the menu. Come on, just work. I don't know if it's just this particular watch or it's just the model of the watch, but the touchscreen on it is horrendous, to be honest. Oh yeah, okay, it opened now. And as you can see, the language changed. So just for example, I'm gonna change it back to English, like this, and the language should be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.